Ever wondered how nations keep their skies safe and secure? The answer lies in the marvel of airborne surveillance systems. In the beginning, the concept of monitoring activities from the sky was as simple as sending someone up in a balloon with a pair of binoculars. A time when the world was just beginning to understand the potential of flight. But as the wings of technology spread, the eyes in the sky became more complex and more powerful. Fast forward to the early 20th century, during the throes of the First World War. The world saw the first real use of aircraft for surveillance. Balloons had given way to rickety airplanes fitted with cameras to capture images of enemy positions. Yet these were still primitive and far from the sophisticated systems we know today. Post-World War II, the Cold War served as a catalyst for the development of advanced airborne surveillance systems. The U-2 spy plane incident in 1960, when an American surveillance aircraft was shot down over the Soviet Union, highlighted the need for stealth and advanced technology. A race to the sky had begun. And then the dawn of the 21st century brought with it the age of drones. Unmanned, capable of long-endurance flights and equipped with cutting-edge technology, drones became the new guardians of the sky. The Predator drone, for instance, has revolutionized the way nations conduct surveillance and even warfare. Today, airborne surveillance systems include a plethora of technologies. From radar systems that can detect aircraft at great distances, to infrared sensors that can pick up heat signatures, to advanced imaging systems that can capture minute details from thousands of feet in the air. These are the silent sentinels, the unseen eyes keeping a watch over our world. In summary, the journey of airborne surveillance systems is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of security. From simple balloons with binoculars to advanced drones equipped with state-of-the-art technology, these systems have evolved to become vital tools for maintaining national security. They are the sky's guardians, ever watchful, ever vigilant. And as technology continues to advance, one can only wonder what the future of airborne surveillance holds. For now, the sky is not the limit, but the frontier.